guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Asha and I'm back with a new video, and today we're going to be talking about two palettes that I purchased. I purchased two palettes from Karity. As you guys know, I am in love with the first palette that I purchased from them, and like hands down, like this palette, you probably been seeing it in every tutorial, my recent videos, but these two palettes I really want to get into today. This is the Come As You Are Karity palette. This has some cute bomb shades in it. It also comes with a mirror, which is great. I love palettes that come with mirrors. This is like more of a cool tone. Like, I love this deep dark shade right here, which is fire. And I really want to get into this, but I low-key didn't touch any shadow in this palette, so I'm going to leave this for our next video. But this palette right here is the palette that I use to create this look right here. I'm going to be doing a first impression, so this is my first time ever touching this palette. I had this palette since last week. I didn't swatch anything. I didn't do anything with this palette. All I did was open the box, open the little box that comes in, and look at it. So everything is first hands for you guys, because I really want to give y'all my really official first impressions. I don't like dipping into products without you guys. I feel so freaking guilty. I don't know why. But without further ado, let's get started. I don't know, these red shades right here, like these nice orange, burnt orange shades, are giving me life right now. Okay, so we're gonna go into Bittersweet right here. This is a nice brown reddish shade. I want to put that in my crease first. Ooh, that is pigment. Yes, it is. One swipe. Like, this shade is exactly how it looks in the pan, and it's just making me happy. This Harvest shade right here, it's called Harvest. It's like a burnt orange, and that shade looks the fire AF, so that's what I'm gonna put in my crease. That looks so good. See, that shade is like perfect. We're gonna add some more of the Bittersweet because it kind of disappeared, so we're gonna just pack that on because we want Bittersweet to definitely be as pigmented as the... Okay, so I'm gonna cut my crease. I have an in-depth cutting crease video. Check the description box, and I'll have it pop in the cards. And before I do put any lid on, y'all guys know I love to set my lid. I'm gonna set my lid with the iris button powder. I like to find my crease. I'm gonna go in with Bittersweet, and I'm gonna just go over this crease right here and just clean it up. I'm basically cleaning it up with eyeshadow, but it's giving it more depth. So the fun part. Okay, so I'm gonna use a regular schmegula. I'm gonna use any type of flat brush, and I'm gonna go in with this shade. I don't know if I want to wet the brush first. I don't know, because I'm excited, right? So I'm gonna just go in with Ambers. This is the shade right here. Oh my Jesus Christ, do y'all see that? Stop playing with me. Oh my God. Stop. This looks so freaking good. Now I want to wet the brush. Now I want to wet the brush. Now I want to be fancy now. I want to wet the brush. We're going to wet the brush because they done got me hype up in here. Oh my God. And it's starting to look foily. Oh, stop. Oh my living God. Yes, I have fallout. Nobody cares about that. This shade though. All right. Oh my God, look at that. On top of that, oh my living Jesus Christ. Look at that. I'm having really like I don't know, But I'm like having a fucking eyeshadow orgasm right now, like for real. I'm gonna do some liner. Matter of fact, I'm gonna do the other eye off camera and I'll be right back. I'm going to do my face. We're gonna fast forward this because y'all see me do my face all the freaking time. So I'm gonna do my face and then we're gonna come back and talk about this palette. Okay? All right. Hey guys, I am back. Everything is done. I actually popped on a wig, like, looking like a little snacky. But anyway, we're going into this palette. This palette is so fire. Like, why? Like, Karity really came for my neck today. Like, I am not surprised that these shades come out so bomb and lovely. It's just that I never tried their shimmer shades, so I knew the mattes was popping, but I wasn't sure about the shimmer shades. But today, like, Karity is not playing. They are coming for the next, okay? Like, this gives me, like, I don't, like, and to be honest, I don't know, like, I am speechless right now. Like, I've never been speechless about a shimmer shade, but these shades are so popping and vibrant, and like, I just can't stop looking at myself, like, literally. I was so excited to the point I forgot to put on any bottom lash line, but you know what, I don't even need it. The eye speak for itself. I love it so much. Like, go out and get this freaking palette, and for this to pop up so bomb on me and I'm like on the darker side, then you know it's elite. Like, it's elite. I definitely want to touch on this shade right here as well. Like, this is like fire. This shade right here, like, I'm just like in love. I love this freaking palette. Y'all gonna probably be seeing more of this palette. If I could do 50 million looks with this palette, I'm gonna try my best to. My 2 Valentine's Days looks so far, I will link in the description box, have a pop up in the cards. I love you guys so much. Like, this year I'm really trying to come with the looks. I'm trying to come with the consistency. Not that I wasn't consistent, but even more consistent. I love you guys so much. Thank you for subscribing, liking, commenting. Make sure you share this channel, of course. Subscribe to this channel, of course. Make sure you follow my social media so you can be the first to get the news of what I'm about to upload, what I'm about to review, what should I review, what shouldn't I review. So make sure you follow my Instagram, Snapchat, my Twitter. I also have Facebook. Click the notification bell on this channel. Subscribe to this channel. Click the notification bell on my Facebook. I didn't even know they had notification buttons, but it notifies you every time I upload a post on my page, my Facebook page. So thank you. I love you guys so much. I'll see you guys in my next video. Laters.